Hey YouTube. So, what's up? So, I should share a few things with you on why I haven't been filming lately. So, a month ago-ish, I had a big fallout with my parents, and well, as you saw with my last video about why I basically wasn't happy. So I went to like Timmins, and that didn't well I went to Timmins. I have family in Timmins, so I went to Timmins. I went to see my grandfather, and I just visited a few relatives, like my uncle, my Zio John, and my Zio Tony, and some other people. So, and of course my cousin Robert, but things didn't work out exactly like I planned in Timmins. So, but I'm back. I'm motivated. A new motivation. I'm looking for a place to live, either in Sudbury or Timmins, a place of my own. Of course, there with assisted living. So either that or I'll call home care. Don't exactly know what I'll do yet, but I feel like I need to find something soon. And anyway, yeah, I have new motivation to work out, but I figured you've seen so much workout videos from me that I don't know if I want to film those again, but I kind of know what I want to film now. I'm really excited about the Leafs this year. I was always a huge fan, but ever since the Leafs basically rebuilt, I'm a big fan. I bought some new merchandise to the Leafs. I'm really excited for this season. Bought some new hats. A jersey, some shirts, some pants. I'll show you. Yeah, you'll enjoy them. I'll show you those in a bit, but yeah, I just want to talk and say why I why I left, and I'm ready to start filming again and all that good stuff. So I guess catch you on the flip flop. Well, I'll show you the stuff in a bit. So yeah, you won't miss out. See you later though. Anyway, I'm back, YouTube. My tripod doesn't want to cooperate right now, but I promised you I'd show you some of my Leafs merchandise. So here you go. So, well, first of all, we got this beautiful Adidas hat. Well, it's not that beautiful, but I got it today. It's pretty beautiful, actually. It's more beautiful than, well, a lot of things. Like the white Leafs logo. That's pretty amazing. And yeah, so that's hat number one. And that's a flat brim snapback, as you can see. And then I got this hat. This is Adidas as well. And yeah, and like the blue and white logo, and got a gray brim, which is interesting. In Maple Leafs there, and the back says NHL, but yeah, it's a snapback. It's a snapback trucker's hat, and it's got a curved brim. And this hat is a little more old school. It's about 2 years old, maybe. Yeah. and it's Reebok flat rim snapback, but still got that kind of cool logo, right? In black, it's kind of like a corduroy feel to it, you know. Yeah. And now we're going to get to the jersey. This is my Leafs jersey. Just Fanatics, you know. I didn't want to spend like $250 on a Adidas jersey, which I only really wear like maybe a handful of times a year. So like, it's just not. But yeah, anyway, and it's got a name on it, Mitch Marner. 16. What else do I have? What else can I show you? Oh, I just bought these Toronto Maple Leafs sweatpants. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. And I have a Leaf shirt somewhere. I don't know where it is in this dresser full of shirts. Whoa! Sorry about that. I spilled my coffee thing. Almost spilled it. Saved it though. So that's good. And I have more shirts coming in. So that'll be a cool surprise for you. And catch you on the flip flop. What's up, YouTube? So what do I want to say? So pretty much I just want to chat about the Leafs this season because, well, they'll be really good this year. And I don't know if my dad watches these vlogs or not, but I bought him a little gift. He'll like, sorry for the spoiler alert, but yeah. Signing of John Tavares will leave is a phenomenal thing. But my dad brought up an interesting point the other night. So we were watching a few games together last season, mostly in the playoffs, and he went to a game last year, and he said to me the play isn't as exciting as it was back in his day. So like when he grew up watching Davey Keon, Landon McDonald, all those guys. So and so it's a valid point, but the Leafs this year have probably the three best trio of centers in the league, rivaling Pittsburgh maybe, and because, well, Pittsburgh has Crosby, Malkin, and Brassard as their 1-2-3 center punch, and the Leafs have Matthews, Tavares, Kadri as their 1-2-3 center punch, and it's good because Matthews isn't the number one guy anymore. Tavares isn't the number one guy anymore. So and you know how the media in this city kind of just gets to the big players. Look at Phil Kessel, Hot Dog Phil Kessel, and Dion Phaneuf. I just think, I don't know. And like, sorry about that honk. And I just think with the talent the Leafs have and the two 1A, or yeah, I guess you would call it 1A, 1B. Like, it's tough to say who will be captain between those two, because I just don't think you can go on the talent of Matthews and the talent of Tavares alone. Like, Tavares is a great leader. He's proven that. At the World Cup level, at the junior level, at the NHL level, well, he hasn't really had a chance to shine on his own at the Olympic level yet, but he will, I'm sure. And like, his accolades speak for themselves, but again, you can't just base that alone on talent, right? So I don't know, but yeah, as I said, neither of them are the number ones, so, and they're pretty interchangeable, I think. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do it.